Welcome to Tiny Facts. India, officially the Republic of India, the seventh largest country by land area and the most populous democracy in the world. India is the second most populous country in the world after China. It is a country in South Asia and has 28 states. The country's capital state is New Delhi. India has 8 union territories. The nationals or citizens of India are called Indians. The Indian currency is known as the Indian rupee. Number 1. The name India is derived from the river Indus. It is a valley around which people settled in earlier times. The Aryan worshippers referred to the river Indus as the Sindhu. The Persian H is cognate with Sanskrit S, and the Persian word stan means land or country. Hence the name Hindustan. Fact number 2. India has the second largest population in the world. As of 2020, there are more than 1.2 billion people in India. Fact number 3. Thousands of languages are spoken all over in India. There are 22 recognized languages with Hindi and English being the official languages. However, other commonly spoken languages include Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Urdu and Punjabi. Number 4. The national symbol of India is the endangered Bengal tiger. The population of the Bengal tiger has been slowly increasing from around 1,800 tigers in 2010. There is an estimated 3,000 as of 2018. Fact number 5. 70% of all the world's spices come from India. The use of certain herbs and spices in the correct proportions is what makes the Indian cuisine special. As Indians, we always like food that has a blend of different flavors, and this is only possible as we have so many spices at our disposal. Fact number 6. India has the world's second largest military with over 1.39 million active troops. Number 7. Chess was invented in India. History of chess in India began before 6th century BC. The early name of chess was Chaturanga. From early era, chess has a huge evolution. Earlier it was concentrated among the kings and royal people of different dynasties, one of the oldest games in the world that is still played. Fact number 8. India is the world's largest producer of milk. Having recently overtaken the European Union, milk production in India reached over 132.4 million tons in 2014. Fact number 9. India has the largest number of vegetarians in the world. Around 20 to 40% of the population are vegetarians. Religious reasons is the major factor. Fact number 10. London has more Indian restaurants than Mumbai or Delhi. Close to 43 million portions of chicken tikka masala are served per year in restaurants. Fact number 11. The world's largest family lives together in India. A man with 39 wives and 94 children. Fact number 12. The number of people traveling on Indian trains each day is equal to the population of Australia. With 7,172 stations, the Indian rail network is the largest in Asia. Fact number 13. The Taj Mahal in Agra. It is the most famous landmark on earth. This monument is on the list of the 7 wonders of the world. This monument is located in India in the city of Agra in Uttar Pradesh. In other words, Taj Mahal marks the excellence of Mughal architecture. This magnificent beauty stands strong as a symbol of the love of a husband to his wife. The renowned Taj Mahal was brought to life by the vision of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. He got this monument built for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal after she passed away. Fact number 14. Chai, tea, is the national drink of India and also the state drink of Assam. India is the second largest producer of tea in the world as well as second largest exporter of tea after China. Indian tea culture consumed 70% of the tea within India itself, and the trade, industries, exportation and production are controlled by the Tea Board of India. The delicious masala chai consists of tea leaves with spices and is a must for anyone visiting India. Fact number 15. India planted nearly 50 million trees in 24 hours on Monday, 11th July 2016, setting a new Guinness World Record.